welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Ada, and today I want to do a Mental Health Monday video because with the holidays literally just coming right up, it's crazy to think that Christmas is this week. Sometimes as a parent, we're so busy thinking about our children or our spouses or just everyone else besides ourselves. I want to show you guys what gift I got myself, because sometimes we just need to get ourselves a gift just because we wanted it, not because we needed it or because it was for work. We're gonna get into this unboxing of this gift and I'm super excited. Now, you guys do not have to get anything like what I got. It can literally be anything you want. If it is something that is special to you, it doesn't matter if it costs $1 or $1 million. It really doesn't matter. All that matters is that you get yourself something that is special to you. It could be a pack of gum, but if it was a pack of gum that you've really been wanting, all that matters is that it brings you joy and it is something that you wanted, not something that you needed. Because like I said, too often I tend to only buy myself things that like I need. Like clothing wise, I buy them because I need them or I buy them for work, and I forget about myself. I forget about buying myself anything just to bring myself happiness. It's always I'm buying things, you know, for other people, like my children, for my spouse, just, you know, for my dog, for the house, just things like that, and I forget about me. So I want to show you guys what I got because I'm so excited for it. I did take off the label, but I will say this package is super discreet, which I was super happy about because I was really nervous for this coming in the mail if it did not come discreetly. So this is what the box looks like. It's just a boring it's just a boring brown box. Nothing on the outside. I was gonna try to pull this tape off, but the tape was pretty strong. Oh my gosh, is this glued shut too? Oh Lord, y'all about to see me struggle. Let's see. I just really wanted this video to kind of, oh man. I'm silly. There's a pull tab right here. I didn't have to do any of that. I'm silly. But I just wanted to do this video for Mental Health Monday video because we have to remember to treat ourselves. Because if we can't treat ourselves, we're not really going to be able to give anyone else like any of our energy because we're going to run out. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So it's the inside of the box. Oh my gosh. And oh my goodness, look at the inside of this box. Okay. The inside of the box says Prada all over it. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the little bag that it came in, and it says Prada on it. Oh my gosh, Cedric! I'm so excited. So look at this bag. It came with a little bag. So it came, oh my gosh. It came with this little bag with little flames on it that says Prada on it. Oh, Cedric. It's literally a bag for the shipping label and the receipt. That's what's in this bag. It's just the shipping label and the receipt. And then we just have paper. Okay. So before we open the gift, this is the card that I had customized for myself. The lighting is like my shirt. Subpar. Prada at the top. Okay, so it says, Ada, you are amazing and you deserve this. I am so proud of how far you've come. Love, myself. So, and that's the little, that's the little card that I wrote myself as a reminder because I tend to second guess my purchases. So I wrote that to myself because a lot of times I tend to overthink my purchases. If I go to the store with the intent to actually buy myself something, I'll be walking around the store, and then by the time I make it to the register, I have kept everything in the cart that I picked out for my children, for my husband, for my dog, and everything I picked out for myself, I put it back. Because I'm like, do I really need this? You know, am I just wasting money? So I wanted to write that note to myself so that I know I deserved the gift I bought myself and that it was okay that I bought it. Because I've done so many things this year working on myself and therapy and stuff like that, and I'm so proud of the progress that I've made over this year alone that I wanted to show myself that I'm proud of myself, and I just wanted to give myself a gift. So let's open this up. Oh my goodness. So okay, it's wrapped. So this is what the box looks like, and it says product on the box. Oops. And here it is. It is a stainless steel insulated kind of matte black Prada water bottle, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited with this. Cute. It's got a little carabiner. They have a pink one, but it was out of stock. But as soon as the pink one comes back in stock, I'm gonna get the pink one. But yes, so this is my water bottle. Look at it, isn't it cute? I know. I'm so excited. This is the gift that I got myself. I'm so excited. The whole point of this video was just to treat yourself with a gift that will bring you joy and make you happy. And like everything in life, what makes you happy might not make me happy, and what makes me happy might not make you happy. But as long as you're making yourself happy, that is what matters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I am going to start doing random giveaways for my subscribers and my channel members. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!